With the finance bill, where 184 members of parliament have endorsed the increment of the value-added tax on petroleum products from 8% to 16%. Only 88 legislators opposed the proposal out of 272 members who cast the vote, arguing that the increment will raise the cost of living. Members allied to the ruling party, however, maintain that new tax measures are necessary to finance various crucial government development projects. The bill, which is currently at the third reading stage, has seen members scrutinize the proposals clause by clause, with most of the amendments proposed by the opposition being rejected.
A question that clause 28 be part of the bill. As many as are of that opinion say aye. As many as are of a contrary opinion say nay. Yes. We have ascertained we have the numbers for a division. Have the results on the division that clause 28 be part of the bill. A total of 272 members took their votes. The ayes 184, the nays 88. Therefore, the ayes have it.
There's something you call input VAT and output VAT. So for all the players in this particular fuel sector, they pay input tax at 16%. But once they sell that fuel to the market, they sell it at 8%. So when they go to claim their VAT, they are always on a credit position. Let me finish. What therefore means, what it means to be on credit position is that it is taxpayers' money that has been paying the remaining 8%, and that is a fact. So this 8% that you have been subsidizing by charging VAT on fuel at 8%, on for all the other suppliers 16%, it means it is taxpayers' money that was paying this 8%. And this is what this proposal is curing.
When we were campaigning last election, Kenya Kwanza told us when they were launching their plan that the problem with fuel is taxation. We are going to look into taxation and we are going to reduce taxes on fuel. Now today, this afternoon, in a broad daylight, on the 22nd of June, they are telling us to increase taxes on fuel. What a paradox it is, Madam Chair.
If we want to revamp the economy of this country, adding tax on fuel is not the solution. The solution is empowering our farmers, our producers who normally produce crops that bring dollars into this country.
In the year 2023-2024, we have allocated Kenya shillings 25 billion that is going to the fuel subsidy that was promised but was never paid. Honorable Speaker, we have also allocated Kenya shillings 250 billion that will be going into our roads. Honorable Speaker, I would request the other honorable members that may not agree with the amendment from the chair that they give us other revenue measures.
We also need to be honest enough and inform the public that this thing was passed in the previous parliament and then deferred to this session. But be that as it may, Madam Chair, be that as it may, Chair, it is important for also the House to know that the government has taken measures, several measures to mitigate the challenge of the increase of the 8%.
That the last parliament passed VAT on petroleum products at 16% and it was deferred. That is not correct. The last parliament, if he has forgotten, rejected the 16%. We only allowed 8% after the president's memorandum. There is no deferment and